Hello everyone, my name is Nur Atira binti Razali and my matrix number is 01DKA20F2002. And today, I am here with my partner, Ellie Adliza binti Jeffrey and her matrix number is 01DKA20F2011. Today, we will present a product for our course DUE3022 Communicative English 2. And before we start our presentation, we would like to express our gratitude towards our beloved lecturer, Madam Chang Yutmin, for giving us the chance to be here today. It was such a great pleasure for us to be here today to discuss some of the topic that we have prepared to present to all of you. Okay, first of all, I'm going to introduce you to the product that we will present today. The product is a safety boots that suits for a building or a site construction. This product is designed for workers that require to work on a site construction or a building construction where it has a high risk of harm for their health. Hence, that is the reason why this product is suitable for people who work as an electrician, contractor, architect, project manager, and engineer. This product is also suitable for students who took an engineering course like us. Okay, next I'm going to share with you some of the main features of the boot. The boot has a heavy-duty thick sole. The features is placed at the bottom of the shoes. It is very thick and can keep you away from any harm. Coming in the second place, the features of the boot is padded collar. This is one of the reasons that make the boots comfortable to wear all day. And other than that, the boots also has a steel metal eyelet which make the boots look more sleek and stylish.
Thank you, Nartira. Hi everyone, before I continue this presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Ellie Adliza binti Jeffrey. My matric number is 01DKA20F2011. The next feature is upper. The upper refers to the part of the safety shoes that cover the toes, the side of the foot, the top of the foot, and the heels. Simply put, the entire parts of the shoes cover the foot. In addition to various leather types, textile and synthetic material are also used, but historically, the most popular material is often leather. Toe cap. Safety toe caps are protective reinforcement caps under the upper in the toe area which protect the foot from falling object or compression. The material traditionally used for toe caps is steel, but in recent times, many safety boots will have a composite toe caps. Both styles of toe caps have different properties. The last feature is outsole. The sole part is in direct contact with the ground. The outsole can be made out of a variety of material including leather, rubber, polyurethane, and TPU. The outsole is a crucial part of protective safety footwear, providing stability, traction, and protection on the side, slips, and fall.
Okay, now I shall continue with the characteristics of the boots. There are total 6 characteristics and I will explain half of them and my partner will continue with the rest. Okay, the first characteristics of the boot is that they are waterproof. It can actually help your feet to stay dry, especially when you're in a site construction, working on something that involves you with water, such as you're working on plumbing or you are repairing a pipe. Apart from that, the boot is also flexible. Long working hours on a site construction can be quite a challenge for some people and you will find yourself struggling, especially when your foot is not in the best conditions. Those are the reasons why they make the boots flexible so that people is comfortable to wear it on a site construction. To conclude, anti-slip is also one of the characteristics of the boots. The core benefit when you're wearing an anti-slip boots is it can prevent you from slip, fall, and accidents. Most of you must know that the site construction is well known as one of the most dangerous area. Once you fall asleep, it will affect your physical state forever in your life. Hence, that is the reason why the safety boot is anti-slip.
The next characteristic is lightweight. When working in such dangerous surroundings, workers need to be fully focused, so they need comfortable lightweight safety boots during work. Thus, to be extra safe without compromising comfort, the workers must wear DOS CIRIM certified work shoes. They are vetted for ultimate safety and comfort so work is never risked. Next, anti-abrasion. Working in an industrial site require constant movement around hazardous equipment. Hence, worker needs a pair of anti-abrasion safety shoes. They are strong enough for wear and tear. so the workers will be more productive and efficient. Last, comfortable. These safety boots were designed with cushions. They are perfect choice when it comes to walking and standing for very long hours without getting sore. Lightweight and breathable, they have a robust composite toe and mesh lining which help prevent your feet from getting too hot.
Okay, moving on to the next topic, we will go into some of the functions of the safety boots. Okay, the first function is to prevent you from slips, trips, and fall. Working on constructions means that you have to face a high risk of accidents, including trippings and falling on the side. On the other hand, it is also to prevent you from electrical hazards. Being an electrician working on a building constructions indicates that you are highly exposed to the threat of electrical hazard, which is very, very dangerous for your health. And that's why you need to use a safety boots when you're working on a site construction to prevent you from electric hazard. Okay, apart from that, the functions of the boot is to keep your feet dry because the boot is waterproof. It can maintain a dry feet because sometimes working with a wet foot is really uncomfortable for certain people, especially when you're working on a long period hour. Therefore, that is the functions of the boots and why the boots is waterproof.
Protect from falling object. When workers carry heavy material or work in dynamic environments where many people, machines, and vehicles are operating at once, falling and flying objects are common hazards. Protective shoes like steel-toe boots can effectively prevent crushing injury to the feet. Next, prevent burns. Burns from fire can happen in the workplace, but so can burns from chemicals and even from common workplace material like cement. Footwear made from durable materials can prevent burns from chemical splashes, molten metal splashes, and other dangerous substances that could injure the skin on the feet. And last but not least, safety boots protect from punctures. When workers could step on sharp object or be struck by a sharp object from above, safety shoes with heavy-duty sole and thick material surrounding the foot offer the best protection.
Okay, now let's take a look at the strength of the boots. The strength of the boots are electric hazard shoes. Some of you must know that there is a few choices of electric hazard shoes that you can find on the store, which makes the boot is different from other shoes. Not only that, the strength of the boots is also they are a safety to shoes. The safety of the feet is very, very crucial, especially when you are a building or a site construction, because you could get into any accident, such as a brick fell to your feet or you step on the nails. And in addition, the strength of the boot is steel insole shoes. I know even though it's a little hard and heavy wearing that shoes, but it actually can keep you from any harms such as accidentally step on a nail or a sharp objects.
Safety boots provide emphasis on comfort. Lightweight work shoes generally put more emphasis on comfort while still protecting your feet from injuries. As a result, they keep the pressure off your feet as you do your work. Hence, you won't sprain your lower back, ankle, or knees. They also come with a light padding. Safety shoes that come with light padding give more maximum comfort and safety. Typically, safety boots have padded collars and tongues that can easily mold to your feet. Last, steel toe caps. Steel caps has higher flat protections, which making them better for environments with very heavy hazards, such as machinery handling. Steel caps are more economical to produce than composite toe caps, so they are often cheaper to buy as well.
I am convinced that every product have a pros and cons. Since we already discussed the strength of the boots, now let's take a look at the weakness of the boots. It is a non-oil resistance, which can make you trip and fall whenever you step on an oil surface. Besides, the weakness of the boots is they are easily discolored. Sometimes it only took a month to get the boot discolored, which is kinda troublesome for some people. Moreover, the boot is also a non-breathable boot, which is kinda inconvenient to use when you are working on a long hour period, especially when you are on the site or a building construction.
The weakness from safety boots will include heavy to wear. The material steel is heavier than other toe caps like the composite toe caps or the alloy toe caps. This weight of the steel adds to the overall weight of the steel toe boots, which is very tiresome to wear for the entire day at work. They also causes ingrown nails. Ingrown nails is a common problem when wearing a safety boots, and this can cause infected to the area which is toes. The reason why this happened is because the toes was pressed up against the boots, which were too narrow, meaning the edge of the safety caps pressed too hard into the toes for many long working hours. And last, they causes blister. Most blister form when the skin rub against the safety boots repeatedly over time. By wearing ill-fitting safety boots can cause excessive friction rubbing, which in turn will cause blister, and this can lead to very painful feet and you won't feel comfortable for the whole day.
I am very certain that there will always a solution to every problem. Hence, that's why I will go through some of the solutions for every weakness that we have discussed before to make the shoes more comfortable and pleasant to use while you are on the site constructions. Okay, the solution for the non-oil resistant is you can attach a non-slip soles on the bottom of the shoes. You can easily find the non-slip soles on the nearby shoe store. Next, the solution for easy discolor is you can try to keep the shoes from sunlight. It is understandable how you use the shoes for a whole day on a site construction, but you can actually try to minimize the period of the shoes being exposed to sunlight so that the color of the shoes is fading slowly. Okay, last but not least, the solutions for the non-breathable problem is you can perhaps take off your shoes once in a while. Maybe you can take off your shoes while you are on your break. It is somehow help your feet to keep breathing so that you can continue your work comfortably.
The next solution is change to a lighter safety boots. Actually, there is a famous brand which is Boxster. Boxster has combined profound technology with functional design for the ultimate comfort and safety. Boxster has innovated the composite toe to be lighter and thinner, yet safety and comfort is not compromised at all. For ingrown toenail, safety boots can be responsible for repeated ingrown toenail if the boots does not fit properly. It is best when choosing safety boots, make sure it at least a ½ inch between the end of your toes and inside of your shoes. Next, choose a toe box that leaves your toes flat, comfortable and easy to wiggle. And finally, the solution for blister is find ways to reduce pressure by using padding around those areas, which is on the toes, sole, ankle and heels. This can prevent and not causing blister as you are walking on the construction site. In conclusion, safety boots protect feet from foot injuries and prevent exhaustion. These mainly apply to industrial workers that are on the front line of danger. Wearing safety shoes at work is extremely important. Did you know that 25% of disability applications worldwide are due to injured feet? Lots of accidents at work are reported every year, which cost the company a lot of money. These expenses and the inconvenience suffered by the workers are not limited to one country. Indeed, many countries all over the world are implementing tougher policies and stricter standards in terms of work safety to assure protection at the workplace. Therefore, provide workers with safety shoes that can fully protect them. That's all from us. Thank you. Price and promotion. The normal price for a pair of safety boots were usually around 80 ringgit. As you guys can see at the left side of the screen, this is an example of safety boot promotion during a special occasion.